keeping a log throughout the last 3 days of when these are happening?
Well, basically, the first one, the one that really got our attention, I think it